So question number 22, which of the following is the best decimal approximation? So always note this. What they want you to do is approximation, okay? Just the best decimal approximation of 10 times the positive square root of 20. So we need to find this square root of 20, 10 times the positive square root of 20. You know that square root of every number, like if you want to find square root of 4, it could be plus or minus 2. But normally, we normally use the positive square root. If you ask anybody what is square root of 4, they will tell you 2. But normally, in mathematics, plus or minus 2 is actually the right answer, but we will normally use 2. So that's what they're asking of us here also. The positive square root of 20. We know that 16 is nearest to 20, and that is the perfect square. The perfect square before 20 is actually 16, which if we are to find the square root, it will give us 4. So the idea that you can use is that the next perfect square is actually square root of 25, which will give you 5, and 20 is less than 25. So this square root of 20, because you don't have your calculator with you, you know that this will definitely give you 4 point something, because 16 root 16 is 4. So square root of 20 will not be up to 5, because square root of 25 is 5. So it will give you 4 point something. That is what you will multiply by what? 10. So we don't know what it is, but you can go to your option. You should know that this will give you, depending on the number that you have, if it's 4.4 or 4 point anything, you multiply by 10. So the least answer you should have here should be 40 and above. Okay, 40 and above. So you are doing approximation because you don't have your calculator with you. It should be 40 and above. If you have your calculator with you, you just simply press on your calculator square root of 20 multiply by 10, you will get the accurate answer. So let's go to the option. It cannot be 100. Okay, so the answer should be 40, either 40 or 40 thereabout, 40 something or 40. It can never be up to 50. You got 4.9. Even if you multiply 4.9 times 10, it will give you 49. So it cannot be up to 50. So it will be between 40, that's 40 or more than 40, but less than 50. So it can never be this. It can never be up to 89. It can never be 200. So they even make it easier for you. They are giving you values that are not close at all. So the only one that is accurate here is 44.7. That means that when they did this square root of 20, they must have gotten something like 4.47. So if you use your calculator now, you should have this. So square root of 20, when they did their own, it was actually 4.47. Multiply it by 10, it will give you 44.7. But if you don't have your calculator with you, that's why I'm actually going in the direction of this explanation. So you have the idea that it will be 4 point something. Just multiply by 4. You know that that will be 40 upward, but it will not be up to 50, because even if it's 4.9, it can never be up to 50 if you multiply by 10. So that's the idea with decimal approximation. So our correct answer is 44.7.